to show you one of the options within PinPoint Scan here that's probably one of the most powerful that we have available within PinPoint Scan. Now, keep in mind that even though we've got a copier just a few feet away from me now, one of the brand new Kyocera machines, we're actually connected to it through what's called remote panel here. And the point is that we would be able to connect to your machine no matter where you were with the same remote panel functionality and be able to help you through any challenge that you may be having with your machine with a specific job that you may be doing at your end at that time. Of course, we can only do that with your permission, by the way. But for right now, I want to show you PinPoint. So we're going to connect to the PinPoint Scan app and connect with the code that will get us to Sean's PC, and that's just 2233. Now, it's just a simple 4-digit code because, candidly, we're not really using it for security. We're just using it to distinguish Sean's PC from the others that are on the network. So now you see the options that Sean has available for his PC for scanning within the PinPoint app, and there's 6 of them. But keep in mind that for the next user, it could be 10. For the next user, it could be 2 or 1. It's completely customizable per user within your organization. So what we want to show here now, we have labeled as closeout packages, but what we're trying to designate or show here would be what in many offices they have as the shared drive, the map drive, the S drive, the T drive, whatever your letter is in your organization, where everybody stores their information on the network folder. So right now, even though I'm sitting at Sean's PC, this is just connected now to our server, and where we have all these folders under the closeout packages. That was a job we actually did for a customer, and we're going to scan to here. So I want to show you how we can drill down the main points here. We can drill down as deeply as we need to go. So I'm going to run down here now to the Hawthorne subfolder, and I'm doing that because I know below that are a whole ton more, and because I don't want to scroll down through 26 different options, I'm going to use the search feature here, and we're going to type in, even though the machine has an actual keyboard that I would be using were I standing at it, so we'll just use the touch screen here to type in Rio, and it finds the one that I'm looking for, the Rio Rancho location. So that's the subfolder that it's going to choose for me. So notice here, this is the path that it's chosen. For us, the S drive, our shared drive in our organization, the Hawthorne subfolder, and then the Rio Rancho, New Mexico closeout package is where we're going to store it. So that's where it's going to go. So number one, we've told it where to put it. The key here is we want to handle the document one time. The settings tab is available to us, so if we wanted to change resolution, if we wanted to change file type, we can do so, but we do not have to go in there unless it's a choice we want to change. So we're going to move to the next tab here. We've told it where to go, and now the next thing we're going to tell it is, what is the file name? Now the key here is, again, that we want to handle the document one time. So again, we would be using the keyboard at the machine, an actual physical keyboard that makes it way easier to type the name. We're just using the touch screen keyboard here. So I've named the file. So now that the file has a specific name, it has a location it's going that's specific to it. That's all I've done. I've named it and told it where to go. We click the scan button, and it makes the connection and starts to scan. Now, this is a 4-page document. It's duplexed, but the back page is blank. It's an actual contract I use in my rental company. So let me show you what that looks like on that end now. So we're going to go to that folder. This is our shared drive here on our network, and we're going to drill down now through Hawthorne and down to Rio, and that's right here. And here is that file that we just scanned. So we'll open that guy up. Here's our PDF, and check this out. This is so dang cool because even though that was a 4-page document, now what you see is it's 3 pages. Why? Because the back page was blank. So the point is you can mix together your single-sided and your double-sided originals, and it will skip the blank pages. No more having to delete the blank pages at the PC using Acrobat or some other feature to get rid of those dang blank pages. So now this document has been handled one time. It's where it needs to go. It's been named properly. It's put away. It's done. We've done that all from the copier using the app PinPoint Scan from our Kyocera copier. That's awesome, and our customers really enjoy this. I think you will too. Thanks for your time.